Hi guys, welcome back to the Lead Recruiter, and we have another company here that is recruiting remote workers, and they are paying $75,000 per year for doing a basic job. The name of this company is called American Assets Trust. An American Assets Trust is an investment firm, and they primarily invest in retirement accounts into alternative assets such as real estate and private company. So this company is recruiting a customer success agent, and they are paying up to $75,000 per year for this role, and it's a remote role. So what are they looking for? They're looking for smart, energetic persons who can communicate well, who can manage their tasks, good writing and critical thinking skills. Their responsibilities would be onboarding new businesses to their platform. As this is an investment company, you will have new businesses who come on board who want to invest. So you would be the first person that they deal with in terms of getting onboarded onto the business platform and onboarding them into the company compliance workflows. And they're not looking for much. They're just looking for a motivated person. They're looking for someone who can learn quickly, someone who can think on their own feet. They're not asking for any education requirements or anything like that. So you can apply for this job on their website. It is posted on the American Estate and Trust website, and they have a simple application process. So you go on, put in your information and attach your resume and send it off to them. So good luck with your application. Comment below and tell me if this was helpful to you and whether or not you want to see more videos like these.